Hostpapa is a web hosting service known for its reliable performance and user-friendly features. It offers a variety of web hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and reseller hosting, catering to different needs and budgets. One of the standout features of Hostpapa is its commitment to green energy, powering its data centers with renewable energy sources. Web hosting and domain registration. Hostpapa provides robust web hosting services that are suitable for both beginners and experienced users. They offer a free domain registration with their hosting plans, which is a great perk if you're starting a new website. Their domain management system is straightforward, allowing you to easily manage your domains, set up email addresses, and configure DNS settings. Ease of use. One of the biggest advantages of Hostpapa is its ease of use. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your website, email accounts, and other services. Hostpapa also offers a website builder with drag-and-drop functionality, which is perfect for those who are not familiar with coding. Additionally, they provide a one-click installer for popular applications like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, simplifying the setup process. Pricing. Hostpapa offers competitive pricing for its web hosting plans. Their essential plan starts at just $2.95 per month, which is an excellent deal considering the features included. This plan offers ample storage, bandwidth, and performance to support your website. Despite the low cost, Hostpapa includes many features that are typically found in more expensive plans, such as free domain registration, SSL certificates, and 24/7 customer support. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their services risk-free. Customer support. Customer support is a strong point for Hostpapa. They provide 24/7 support through live chat, email, and phone. Their support team is knowledgeable and responsive, helping you resolve any issues quickly. Hostpapa also has a comprehensive knowledge base and numerous tutorials to help you troubleshoot problems on your own. Conclusion. In conclusion, Hostpapa is a reliable and user-friendly web hosting service with a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction and green energy. Their competitive pricing, starting at just $2.95 per month for the essential plan, ease of use, and excellent customer support make them a great choice for anyone looking to start or move their website. If you're interested in trying Hostpapa, be sure to check out the link in the description of this video for a special offer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips on web hosting and website management.